Welcome to StockInvest.us, a world of trading ideas. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions.
Welcome to StockInvest.us and this report for ContextLogic. The report was published on the 1st of July 2021 and will let you know how we think ContextLogic will perform in the days ahead. The report is based on advanced computer algorithms and uses technical indicators and signals, fundamental data and news published about the company in order to give you a good analysis of the company. During the next 7 to 10 minutes you will learn about support and resistance levels, signals, price-to-earning ratios and possible trading levels for ContextLogic. In this video we will show you some charts and other information needed to help you better understand the analysis. Knowledge is money, and this report is all about giving you the knowledge you need. So make sure you get the entire report as we cover the important information in different sections throughout the report. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell if you find our analysis useful. This way you will be first to know when we post a new video. Enjoy this unique report for ContextLogic and please make sure you get our conclusion and forecast at the end of the video. ContextLogic currently holds a -0.953 score from our advanced computer algorithms, and our system have ranked ContextLogic buy or hold candidates since the 18th of June 2021. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 7.37%. This is an average return of 0.74% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for ContextLogic, our last headline reads ContextLogic Inc. stock price fell more than -7.06% Thursday, closing at $12.24. The ContextLogic Inc. stock price fell by -7.06% on the last day, Thursday the 1st of July 2021, from $13.17 to $12.24, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 9.54% from a day low at $11.95 to a day high of $13.09. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.99% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 35 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 101 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.23 billion. ContextLogic trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicate a -16.14% change over the next 3 months, and from a statistical point of view, a possible return between -45.47% and 5.92% from today's price. Our systems believe, based on the volatility of the stock, that it will hold a price between $6.67 and $12.96 at the end of the 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The ContextLogic Inc. stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.61. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $10.45. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, June 28, 2021, and so far it has fallen -15.00%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Bollinger gave a buy signal a days ago. Short moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 96 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 89 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for ContextLogic. ContextLogic Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.63, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.14 between high and low, or 9.54%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.26%. In this section, we will give you important key values for ContextLogic to up your trading game. The price to earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per share earnings. ContextLogic currently has a price earning ratio of -8.93. A negative high price to earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price to earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, ContextLogic meets first resistance at $13.50. If you do not hold ContextLogic shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, ContextLogic finds first level of support at $11.63, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebounds upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $11.99, $11.72, $11.29, sell at $12.86, $13.13, $13.57. The latest analyst ratings for ContextLogic. Over the last 30 days, this security got 1 buy, 0 sell, and 0 hold ratings. Credit Suisse Group is very positive about Wish and gave it a outperform rating on May 13, 2021. The price target was changed from $31 to $24. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for ContextLogic is buy. Our recommended stop loss, $11.66, minus 4.70%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 3 days ago. Is ContextLogic stock a buy? ContextLogic Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.